Hello guys, welcome to AI Automate India. This is Sarvas. Today we'll be building a really interesting voice assistant using VAPI and Make.com. This assistant is for a web developer to schedule a meeting by referencing their Google Calendar. To give you an idea about it, let's start with the demo.
Hello, this is Webby. How can I assist you today?
I was looking for an appointment.
Sure. May I know your name, please?
My name is Vivek.
Nice to meet you, Vivek. Are you looking for an appointment in the morning, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., or the afternoon, 12 p.m. to 5 p.m.? And could you also let me know the date you are interested in?
I'm looking for tomorrow morning.
Hold on a sec. Vivek, for tomorrow morning, we have the following slots available: 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Would you like to book an appointment in one of these available slots?
Is 9 a.m. possible?
Unfortunately, the 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. slot is already booked. Would you like to take the 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. or 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. slot instead?
10 a.m. works for me.
Great. I just need a few more details to confirm your appointment. Full name, email, phone number.
My full name is Vivek KN.
Thank you, Vivek. Could you please provide your email and phone number as well?
Email is vivek@gmail.com and phone number is 98765432210.
Thank you for the information. Let's confirm all the details. Vivek KN, vivek@gmail.com, 98765432210, 20241229, 10 a.m. Is everything correct?
Can you just repeat the phone number?
Sure. The phone number I have is 98765432210. Is that correct?
Okay, and the appointment date is?
Appointment is scheduled for December 29th, 2024 at 10 a.m. Shall I proceed with booking?
Yeah.
One moment. Your appointment is confirmed for December 29th, 2024 at 10 a.m. Thank you for choosing Sarvas Web Developers.
Thank you.
Have a
Vivek.
great day.
I hope you guys are really excited after seeing this demo. Now let's move on to building this project step by step. But before, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and feel free to comment.
So this is how the dashboard of the VAPI looks like. I won't be explaining each and every feature in this video. I have already explained it in the previous one. The link will be provided in the description of that video. You guys can check it out. So we will directly start creating our assistant. So let's go to create assistant. There are four templates available here. We want appointment setter. Click on create assistant. We get assistant named Mary. We'll change it to Webby. Okay. Then we have the first message. That's the message given by our bot when a customer picks up the call. Let's change here. Keep it as, hey, this is hello. This is Webby. How can I assist you today? We'll change the prompt in some time. Don't forget to click on publish button. That is similar to the save button. Then let's change the settings over here. Provider will keep it as OpenAI. Model will choose Foro cluster. Then knowledge base not required. Temperature 1 works. Max tokens 250 works. Click on publish again. Now let's go to the transcriber section. Provider will be DeepGram, Nova 2. We'll leave everything the same. Then voice configuration. We'll again leave it the same. Functions will implement in some time. Advanced will leave the same. Not required for now. Okay, publish it again. Now let's see the prompt. Okay, so this is the prompt. Name will be Webby. Just go through the prompt once. Make sure your prompt is well organized and structured so that the VAPI understands it on how to respond to the customer in various situations. Then here are the functions which I have provided here, which we'll be implementing in some time. That is the get current time to get the current time, get schedule, that is to see the schedule, and the busy times variable is also given here, which will basically give the times the slots are already booked. And then we have another function over here. Let's copy it. Don't worry about the prompt, it will also be provided in the description. Then paste it, click on publish again. Okay, that's done. Now first, what we have to do, once our webby, that is our bot, uh, picks up the call, it will ask for a morning or afternoon time. They want to book an appointment. Then it will call get current time, so that it gets to know about the current time and can book the meeting if a customer says tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So our VAPI gets to know the current time. It gets the date as well, so that it can book it uh, tomorrow as well as or any other day specified by the customer. Let's go to scenarios. So after logging into the make.com, this is how the dashboard looks like. Click on create a new scenario. Name it. Name the scenario as web get current time. Okay. Then we need a webhook. Click on custom webhook. We'll create a new one. Name the same as the scenario. Copy it and paste it. Click on save. Okay, that's done. Copy the URL. We go to VAPI again. Go to tools. Create a new tool. We need a tool from make.com. Paste the URL. Click on save. Click on next. Then here we'll be defining the properties. I guess it's not needed for now. We'll see later. We'll name it as web get current time. Make sure it's same as the one that's given in the prompt. So just copy it. If it's not the same, the VAPI won't get it. Paste it. Provide the description. This function will provide the current date and time. Okay, click on next. Not required. Create. So our function is created now. Okay, this is done. Go to assistance again. Go to WebP. Go to functions. Here we have to integrate the function so that our assistant can use it. It's web correct time. Don't forget to publish it. Okay, that's done. Now go to let's complete the automation over here so that we get the response as the current time. Okay, so here we have to print the result. For the result, what you can do is go to API documentation in VAPI, go to documentation section, then you can go to advanced concepts, go to tools calling, scroll down, and here you will get how the result template looks like. That has to be put in the webhook response body. Paste it here. Tools call ID will get once we run it. Let's leave it blank for now. Here what we'll do is format date, basically add the current date and time, and that we can get it from here, from the AI here. Let's check it. generating. Yeah, here we got it. Copy it, paste it, but here MMDD. This is not required for us. Just want HH, I guess. Let me check the format. Let me check in one of my projects. You'll get the format from one of my projects. Go here. Okay, MMDD. It's this format. Copy. You guys can just copy paste. I mean, just see the format and write the same format. So this gives the format as a 9 p.m. or 10 p.m., 10 a.m. In that format, it's going to return the time. Copy, paste. Paste it here. Yeah, that's it. Okay, save it. And let's run this one. Go to VAPI, go to VAPI, and let's check whether it's calling that function or not.
Hello, this is Webby. How can I assist you today?
I would like to book an appointment.
Sure, I'd be happy to help you with that. May I know your name, please?
My name is Sarvas.
Nice to meet you, Sarvas. Are you looking to book an appointment for the morning 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. or the afternoon 12 p.m. to 5 p.m.?
Uh,
Additionally, please let me know the date you are interested in.
I was looking for tomorrow morning.
Just a sec.
Call the function. Let's see the response over here. Yeah, this is the current time and the current date. Yeah, it's working fine. Now let's go and implement another function. Another function is get schedule. That is, it will check our Google Calendar and return us the busy times. Busy times variable we'll get from the make.com, and our WAPI will go through all the busy times and whatever slots are available to the customer for the allowing them to book those slots. So let's go and create another scenario. We'll go to here, we'll name the scenario first, keep it as web, get schedule, okay, create a webhook, custom webhook, we'll add another webhook, copy this scenario name, add, paste, save, we get the URL over here, copy this, okay. Now again we have to go to WAPI and create a function over here. Click on new tool, make.com, paste it, click on save next, property name. Here, what we'll need is not required. Yes, we'll see if we need it later. Bolded name, keep it the same as that given in the prompt. Copy it, paste, and describe it. This function provide the busy times, busy slots, which are already booked. Done. Next, create. Okay, that's done. Our function is created. Go to assistant, go to WebP. Now integrate here so that our WebP can use it. Click on web get schedule. Don't forget to click on publish button. Okay. Now let's continue the thing in make.com. What we'll need first? First, we'll need the start date. We'll set the variable dash start date, and the format will be similar to this one. Go to here, come back. First one is web get current time. And in the same format, copy it and come to this scenario, paste here. This is the start time and create another tool. Click on set variable. This will be the end time. I will explain you what I am creating in some time. Here, what we'll do is add days and start date 7th. Okay. So what I've done here is start date is the date the customer has called, and from that date and time till the next week, our assistant can book the slots only till the next week. So that's why I have provided here 7. If you guys provide here 30, then your assistant can book the slots till the next month. Okay. Then what we'll need? We have to check the Google Calendar. So to get the free and the busy times, Google Calendar provide us free. Let's search on Google Calendar. Click on Google Calendar and get free busy times. We need busy times. Minimum time would be the start date. Maximum time would be the end time. And here, don't forget to link your uh, Google Calendar over here. Mine is already linked. Then calendar ID. Click over here. Remove this one. Map it. Click on OK. So calendar is also created. So let's run it and check it once to see whether we are getting the busy times or not. This is the calendar for tomorrow, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. with the slot. Okay, that's first mid. Let's go to more options. First mid, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. And what we have to do, keep it as busy, default visibility, let's keep it public. Color, let it be blue. That's it. So we have marked the slot as first mid. Okay. Now see what output you will get. Let's run this scenario. Run this one as well. And let's talk with our assistant.
Hello, this is Webby. How can I assist you today?
Okay, I was looking to book an appointment.
Sure. Could I get your name, please?
Service.
Nice to meet you, Service. Would you like to book an appointment? If yes, please let me know your preferred date and whether you're interested in a morning or afternoon session. Morning, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Afternoon, 12 p.m. to 5 p.m.
How about tomorrow morning?
Hold on a sec. It appears there was an issue retrieving the current time and the schedule. Let me try that again. Please give me a moment. Give me a moment.
Got the busy times are now. From here, we got the current time as this. Let's come here. Calendars. AI busy one. Yeah, we got the busy slots which we had marked. That is 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Okay, that's working fine. So let's move ahead. Now, what we'll need is a text aggregator. That's aggregate. Yeah, sorry. First, we have to iterate it. So we need an iterator first. This one, yeah, here is the iterator. The iterator would be the busy slots. It will iterate on the busy slots and it will be aggregated by our text aggregator. Okay, so small iterator. From where to where we have to specify it. What we are going to do is go to get content, copy this format, come here, paste it, but we'll change, we don't want the current time. We need it from the start, which we are getting from the iterator, to end time. So it will aggregate all the text from the start time to the end time, and then we need an array aggregator to create a bundle. It will getting the source mode from this text. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Then what we are going to do, we'll create another set variable. Here we will get the busy times. We'll name it as full busy, and the variable value will come from array. That's this text. Basically, all the busy times or the slots we'll get, and that we have to provide it to VAPI as a response. And the format, as I had mentioned earlier, this is the template. Copy it, paste it, groups call ID to provide it in some time. Yeah, we already have it. So let's provide it. Come here, tool calls, and here you will get the ID. In the results section, we'll need we had defined a variable here. This will be provided to VAPI. So copy the same, paste it here, and that becomes visit times. We'll get it from full busy variable. Click on OK. Fair. This is so it's done, I guess. They will test it now. So I'll explain you again. What we did is we created a webhook that will basically trigger the automation, and then we have set variable over here because we need the start time and the end time. In that period, in that span, our assistant will be booking the slot. So from start time would be the time the customer called, and the end time would be 1 week. In my case, you can provide it, you can increase it or decrease it. Then in that span, what our make.com will do is get all the busy slots. Then that busy slots is iterated by this iterator, and the text aggregator aggregates all of them in the form of a text, and array aggregator creates a bundle. Then in this to set a variable, we are basically creating a variable called full busy that will contain all the time slots which are busy, and that's been provided to webhook. Okay, so just save it. Come to get current time over here. We'll just provide the tool call ID here. We had not provided it earlier. Go to tool calls, click on ID. Oh, this time, yeah, click on save button. So let's test this now. Click on run once, wait for new data, run this one as well, wait for new data, and let's go to VAPI. Okay, done. Yeah, both the functions are integrated, publish it, and let's talk with the assistant.
Hello, this is Webby. How can I assist you today?
Hey, I was looking to book an meeting.
Great. May I have your name, please?
My name is John.
Hi, John. Are you looking for a morning or afternoon session? And on what date?
Uh, I was looking for tomorrow morning.
Just a sec. Thank you, John. I see that we have a busy slot from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. The available time slots for tomorrow morning are 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Would you like to book one of these available slots?
Yeah, can you book it at 10 a.m.?
Of course, John.
Yes, everything is working fine. The VAPI responded with a busy time as 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Yeah, because it received it here in the form of busy times as 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and this variable was also specified in the prompt. That's why it got to know about it with this function. Okay, this is done. Now the last part is we'll just if confirms confirms the slot, we'll add it to the Google Sheet. I've already created a Google Sheet over here, named it as web bookings, and these are the columns: name, email, phone number, appointment date, and the appointment time. We'll just confirm the details each and everything again, and we'll add the details of the customer over here. So let's do that. For that, let's go to another tab and let's create a scenario over here that will add the details to the Google Sheet. Click on create a new scenario. Scenario would be web DB. Okay, you'll need another webhook here, which will trigger the automation. Sorry, I selected the response. You need a custom webhook. We'll add a new webhook. Copy the scenario name itself, paste it here, click on save button, click copy the address and click on OK. Now let's go and create a function. Create on new tool, go to make, paste the URL, click on save button, click on next, property name. Here we will define the property because we need some parameters over here. First would be the name, the full name of the customer. Click on save and we'll need what all we'll need? We'll need an email. We'll need an email. Let's describe it. This is the email of the customer. Save. We just define it so that our LLM understands it well. Property name and this will be phone number. We have it here already. This will be phone number of the customer. Click on save, click on properties again, and the last thing is appointment date. This is the appointment date given by the customer. Okay, click on save, and the last thing is appointment time. Is it? Just change the date to time. That's done. We have added all the parameters. Get the name. Make sure it's same as that specified in the prompt. Copy it and paste it here. This function will add the details of the customer to our database. Add the details of to our database when the customer confirms the booking. Click on next, create, and our function is created. Let's integrate it. We go to functions, click here, and here we integrate it. Click on publish. Okay, go to models. Okay, that's done. Let's complete the scenario in make.com. So it's simple over here. You just need, wait, we have to run it first so that we get all the parameters that can be specified in the Google Sheet. So let's run it once, run each and every scenario, and let's talk with the assistant. Talk with the assistant.
Hello, this is Webby. How can I assist you today?
Yeah, I was looking to book a meeting.
Great. May I have your name, please?
My name is Sarvas.
Thank you, Sarvas. Are you looking to book an appointment for a morning session, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., or an afternoon session, 12 p.m. to 5 p.m.? And could you let me know your preferred date?
I was looking for tomorrow morning.
This'll just take a sec. Give me a moment. For tomorrow's morning session, the available slot is 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Please let me know if this time works for you, and I'll proceed with booking the appointment.
Yeah, 10 a.m. works for me.
Great. Could you please provide your full name, email, and phone number?
My full name is Sarvas M.
Thank you, Sarvas. Could you also provide your email and your phone number, please?
My email is sarvas@gmail.com, and my phone number
Got it.
is 123456789110.
Thank you. Please confirm your details. Full name, Sarvas M. Email, service@gmail.com. Phone number 12345678910. Appointment date, December 20th, 2024. Appointment time, 10 a.m. Is all the information above correct?
Yeah.
This'll just take a sec.
Whether we got all the parameters or not, whatever the parameters which were specified. Okay, name, service name, service@gmail.com. I just took the spelling. You can change the prompt. You can make your bot to spell out the email so that the spelling matches with the one told by the customer. That you can play with the prompt and bot more precise. Phone number, appointment date, and the appointment time. Appointment date, today's date is 19th of December. I told tomorrow morning 10 a.m. So it knows the current date and time. That's why when I said tomorrow, it interpreted it as 20 and time as I specified as 10 a.m. Okay, we have to just add this details to Google Sheet. This is a easy thing. Let's go to add a row and integrate. Okay, okay, first link. Continue. We have to grant the permission here. Continue. Okay, with the necessary permissions. Okay, the permission is provided. Now it should work fine. Still, yeah. Guess we got it. We this one. Yeah, we got our Google Sheet. You guys have to just link your email ID so that you can access the spreadsheets from the drive. Earlier, it was a different email ID. So when I changed it to another email ID, it asks for a permission. You guys can allow the permission, and then you can access the Google Sheet from the drive of that specific email. Sheet name will be sheet one. Name, everything will get it from the parameters or the arguments. Email, okay. Phone number and appointment date and appointment time. Click on OK. Click on save and our project is done. Let's test it out. Wait, will this time we'll add another busy slot. We'll add 11 a.m. to 12 a.m. as also a busy slot. Go to more options. Let's name it as second mid. 11 a.m. to 12 a.m. Busy, get multi public, save. Okay. Now the only empty slot in the morning, that is from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., is 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. So let's see uh, whether VAPI is able to catch that or not. So let's go and talk with the assistant.
Hello, this is Webby. How can I assist you today?
Yeah, I was looking to book a meeting.
Sure. May I know your name, please?
My name is John.
Thank you, John. Are you looking to book a meeting for the morning or afternoon? Also, do you have a preferred date in mind?
I was looking for tomorrow morning.
Give me a moment. Thank you for your patience, John. Here are the available time slots for the morning of December 20th, 2024, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Please let me know which slot you'd like to book, and I'll collect some additional information from you.
Yeah, 10 a.m. works for me.
Great. I'll need a few more details from you to confirm the booking. Could you please provide me with the following information? Full name. Example. John Smith. Email. Example. john@gmail.com. Phone number. Example. 64976.
Yeah, my full name is John Smith, and
Thank you.
my email is john123@gmail.com, and my phone number is 98765432210.
Thank you, John. Let me confirm all the details with you. John Smith. John123@gmail.com. 98765432210. December 20th, 2024. 10 a.m. Is all this correct?
Yeah,
Just a sec. Your appointment is confirmed. Please let us know if you have any other questions.
thank you, baby. Permission, yeah, each and everything is added to our Google Sheet, and this is the end of our project. I hope you guys really liked it. In this video, the main focus was to show you guys how to integrate the Google Calendar here and get the busy times. This is the important one. In the further videos, we'll learn many such interesting topics. And if you guys need any specific to be done or covered in the upcoming videos, please do let us know in the comment section. Uh, yeah, that's it. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.